Lighting glass in Blender can be frustrating, but if you understand what is happening, it becomes a lot easier. I used one light to get this result, but it is not always as simple as putting a light behind the object. You see, when light hits an object, three things can happen. It can pass through the object, it can be absorbed by the object, or it can bounce off the object. If light hits a glass directly at a perpendicular angle, the glass would be invisible. Take a look at this example here. You could not tell right away that there was glass in front of the camera because it is at a perpendicular angle. However, in our thumbnail example, we can see the containers clearly because the containers are angled. And so the light passes through but at an angle. So the light is being refracted and also reflected. The sides of the container are also being lit because they fall within what is called the family of angles. Now, if these topics sound strange to you, these topics are explained in further detail in my training, 3D Product Lighting Mastery. Feel free to check it out in the description. Generally though, when lighting glass, if you start by placing the light behind using a gradient spherical light, you get a very pleasing result. You can download and use my free lighting tool, the Ultimate Strip Box. If you want a longer form video on how to light glass, feel free to check out my other video, how to light glass like a pro in Blender. Even if you're an experienced Blender user, I'm sure there are things in there that you may learn as well. So I hope you learned something useful, and I'll see you in the next one.